Word problems sometimes involve inequalities as well. For example, James and Fidel play in the same cricket team. Last Saturday, Fidel made twice as many runs as James. Together, they scored fewer than 100 runs. What is the possible number of runs that James made? The trick here is to write the correct inequality to show the situation. Let x represent the solution to the problem, which is the possible number of runs that James made. Fidel scored twice as many runs as James, so they scored x plus 2x together. And we know that their total is less than 100. So 3x is less than 100, and therefore x is less than 33.3 recurring. Runs, however, are always whole numbers, so the solution is x is less than or equal to 33.